All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this meeting. Today, we need to seriously discuss three customer complaints that affect our sales and company reputation. I want everyone to give honest opinion and suggestion.
Good morning, boss, and good
Boss.
morning, team. We are ready.
Good. The three main issues are customers say our price are too high, a complaint about rude staff behavior, and slow response to online inquiries. If we don't stop this problem quickly, our business performance may continue to decline. Alright, so this the email I sent you to you guys for reminder about the meeting. Amira, continue to the side. Next slide. And this the reminder meeting from the WhatsApp group lah. You all can see from the remaining. Okay, Mira, next slide. Okay, this our working hour. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. With the exception of Sunday close lah. Okay, next slide. Okay, so let's start with the first issue. Iman, as a self staff, what feedback to customer usually give?
Oh yeah, boss. Many customer compare our price with other gadget shop nearby. They say our product are more expensive. Some of them were away without buy anything.
Alright, do they ask about a warranty or service?
Some do, but most focus only on the price.
Boss, I check online review. Some customer comment that our price is not worth it because they don't understand our add value.
Oh, so that means we have to communicate our product value clearly. Price is not just about number, it is good quality and service. Darren, do you have anything to say?
I believe the core of this issue is how we bridge the gap between the price and value. Right now, when a customer mention a lower price as well, our team need to hesitate. We should undergo a deep dive training section on our specific product advantage. If staff can confidently explain the superior build quality of our gadget or the reliability of our exclusive local warranty compared to the grey market import.
Iman, do you have anything more?
Yes, sometimes I explain, but maybe not detailed enough.
Alright, thank you. So let's go to our solution problem.
Alright, here is our strategy. So the solution plan, staff must clearly explain product quality, the original product and durability official warranty. Second, we introduce bundle promotion and student discount. For example, buy phone plus casing, get the special price. And then the student have a student ID, get a 5% discount. Lastly, we emphasize our excellent after sale service. For example, free safety, technical support, fast warranty claim. Okay, that's all.
Boss, I will create social media content, explain why choose NetGen, and highlight our after sale service.
Good. Remember, customer pay more when they say value. So can I see our social media content?
Boss, this is our media social in Instagram.
Alright, I see. Alright, thank you for your cooperation. Let's go to our second problem. Okay, so for the second problem is we receive a negative review saying that our staff was rude This is very serious. So what you guys have to say about this?
Boss, I admit sometimes when it busy, we may sound impatient, but we don't need to be rude.
I see. Iman, you have anything to say?
Even if naturally, customer judge based on how they feel.
Yes, that is exactly what I mean. In retail business, customer is everything. One bad experience can damage our reputation online. Amira, you have anything?
Negative review spread fast on social media. It can reduce customer trust.
I see. I think that's why maybe we need standard rating rule. Alright, so let's go to our solution problem. So Afiq, you have a solution problem for us?
Starting next week, first we will conduct customer service training. Second, implement a proper rating SOP. Is my eye contact, say welcome to next gen gadget and accessories, and offer help policy. Thirdly, Zarid will monitor staff communication daily.
Starting next week, I'll be conducting active floor observation to see how the new greeting SOP is being handled in real time. I'll be looking for natural body language and journey engagement, not just recital script. After each shift, I will provide individually feedback to the staff on what went well and where they can improve. To make this stick, we will hold a 30-minute role play workshop every Tuesday morning. We can simulate difficult customer scenario like price objection or technical question. So the team feel fully prepared and confident before the door even open.
Alright. Remember, customer don't just buy the product, they buy the experience. Okay, so let's go with our third issue. So the third issue is slow response EQRS. This costing us potential share. So based on the email that you guys sent to me, let me reading it. Dear Sir Ometer, I'm interested in purchasing your product, but I would like to share my concern regarding the price. I feel that the price is quite high compared to my budget. Could you please let me know if there any discount promotion or more affordable available? I would appreciate your response and hope to from you soon. Thank you. Best regret. Okay, so Amira, you have anything to say?
Yes, boss. Some customer wait 4 to 5 hours for reply. By that time, they already bought from competitor.
Sometimes our staff are busy at the shop, so no one check WhatsApp immediately.
Oh, I see. That show we need a better system. Online customers are just important as walk-in customers.
The current delay is damaging our digital reputation. I suggest we implement a dedicated online response lead on rotating shift basis. This person will just be checking message. They will be responsible for maintaining a 2-minute response window during peak hours. If the shop floors get too crowded, they can signal a backup, but having a primary owner ensure that no WhatsApp inquiry falls through the crack. We should also track the conversation rate of this chat to see how many inquiries actually turn into a shop visit.
And I think we must use auto reply to reply the customer because customer not wait 4 to 3 hours. That's all.
Alright, thank you, Zarid and Nirol. Alright, alright, that's all for our issue.
Use WhatsApp business auto reply. Like thank you for contact next year and gadget accessory. We will reply shortly.
Nirol, can
Boss,
I see the examples for WhatsApp business?
uh, this is example WhatsApp business. Like yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So, I think we need to assign Afiq to handle incur from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and rotate the shift in the afternoon.
Boss, we prepare FAQ template for common question like price, stock availability, and warranty and promotion.
I see. Rafi, do you have anything to say?
Understood, boss. I will respond within 10 to 15 minutes maximum.
Alright, good Afiq. Fast response mean higher sell opportunity.
Boss, before we continue to our next issue, I want to explain this picture first. So, as you can see, our customer reply email. He thought while he was interested in purchasing a product, he approached one of our staff members to ask for a specific detail, but unfortunately, he was completely ignored, which he found highly unprofessional. As a result, he decided to leave the store without making a purchase. So what he say here is he value our product, but he hope in the future our team can get a better prepare and get improved from the staff. So he look forward to a much improved experience during his next visit. So in this, I think our staff need to make an improvement when when a customer is asking about our product, he need to explain. He need to explain a specific detail, not just ignore our client. So that's all for me. Iman, you can continue.
And yeah, boss, we team reply the customer complaint. Hi, I Imafi. We are truly sorry for your experience on 3326. Okay. Being ignore is not the service. We aim for at next gen gadget and accessory. We've we've taken your feedback seriously and have launched a solution plan starting next week. As our manager, then you say you don't just buy product, you buy an experience. We love the change to show you a much better on next time. Thank you.
Wow, I see. So that's the reason lah. Alright. Mira, can you continue to the slide final conclusion? Alright. Iman,
For hard price complaint, we are the explain product value, offer promotion, and highlight after sale service. Another, for rude staff complaint, we have improved communication skill and follow SOP. The another thing, for slow online response, we have used auto reply, assign staff and prepare the template. If we apply this strategy consistently, our sales performance and company reputation will improve.
Mira, you have anything to say?
Customer satisfaction can lead customer repeat.
Exactly. When we provide a seamless experience, we from the first WhatsApp message to the moment they walk out the door, we aren't just making a sale. We are building a relationship with our customer. Why I say that? Because a happy customer become a brand advocate who bring in their friend or family, so that they will share that if our service is good, he will share to a lot of his friends to come to our store. That kind of loyalty is what we will keep is in next gen gadget and accessory profitable and sustainable. Even when competitor try to undercut our price, it's about being the most trusted shop in the community.
Exactly. Let's work together to make next gen gadget and accessory the best gadget shop in town.
Alright, boys.
Yes, boss.
Right, boss.
Let's go.
Okay, so that's all for our meeting. If anything have a problem next time, we can continue our meeting. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
All right, so that's all from our group. My name is Damon Nabawi, 01 DRN 25F 1010.
Okay, next is my name is Zarid Darwish. My metric number is 01 DRN 25F 1013. My character is assistant manager. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Imanuddin bin Kamal Baharin. My matrix number 01 DRM 25 F1020. My matrix my character is a cell assistant.
My name is Muhammad Hafiz Hazwan. Metric number 01 DRM25F 1012. My character is say assistant.
My name is Muhammad Amirul Mukminin. My matrix number is 01 DRN 25F 1002. My character is marketing exclusive.
All right, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.